Today, I'm going to explain the options you have for onboarding with HubSpot.
Superhacks, the HubSpot Experts. Presented by WPWA Digital.
I'm Svenja, an onboarding expert and project manager at WPWA Digital. Onboarding is useful for all HubSpot customers who are starting fresh with the system. For professional and enterprise customers, onboarding is even mandatory. Standard or custom onboarding. Now, you're probably wondering which onboarding is right for you. In a standard onboarding, our onboarding specialist will show you in different sessions how to use the features of HubSpot. How do I import my data into the CRM? How do I create a newsletter in HubSpot? Or how do I connect my calendar to HubSpot? You'll handle the work in the system yourself and set up your processes there, so it's a do-it-yourself option. In a custom onboarding, also known as objective-based onboarding, we work purposefully with you in the system and set several goals at the start of the onboarding that we then set up together. We will be happy to advise you strategically and develop process concepts together. Examples of goals include setting up a marketing campaign to generate leads, optimizing your current sales process based on the tools available in HubSpot, or implementing the service area in HubSpot, including a ticket pipeline, feedback surveys, and a customer portal. We'll work in the system together, so it's a do-it-together option. Now you know which onboarding option you need? Now you should ask yourself if you need additional implementation help. We're happy to implement processes directly in your HubSpot account if you don't have the time or capacity to do it yourself. Just pick your desired add-ons from our list. Now you're ready to plan your onboarding. We're looking forward to your project. If you don't want to miss anything about HubSpot, then subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell.